Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For those of you that are new, today we're going to be installing this wig from Remyfortehair. Let's get started. The wig in question, on camera, especially if I put it closer, it's making it look like it's really orange, but it's not. It's like a strawberry blonde color. It's straight hair. I think I'm going to do a side part. It has a frontal. I think this is a 13 by 5, at least right here. That's definitely 13. It's giving 13 by 5, and then of course over here a little less space to go back in terms of going deeper with your parting space if you want to do side part. It does have this elastic band in the inside that's adjustable, which is good, and then you have some more adjustable bands on the back, and then your comb. I don't know if I want to adjust this more, or I think I'm gonna make it just a little bit tighter, maybe just a little bit. I think what I want to do first is style the wig, like get it into a side part, and then I'm gonna cut off this lace. I don't know yet, we'll see. I've also never tried this color before, so I'm really curious to see what this is gonna look like once I get it installed. I'm kind of thinking I might want to do some curls, or maybe should I leave it straight? With this color though, I feel like even if I do pluck it, I won't have to do a lot of plucking.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see
I'm using the Red by Kiss. I bought the little travel size of it because I'm trying to see how much I like it before I purchase a big can. Spray a little bit on top, and then while this sets in place, I'm going to see if I need to straighten out the hair, blow dry it a little more, flat iron it, hot comb it, just kind of get it set. I'm hoping that this will be the last step. I might have to go over it a second time. Normally I always have to go over my lace a second time. when I take this off, so we gonna have to see. And I know I'm gonna need to add some makeup to my lace as well because y'all could see that it was a little bit light. I didn't tint the lace before putting it on, so I'm gonna have to go over it with some bronzer. All right, so I went over the hair and I got it a little bit more flat. I think it looks good. I'm hoping it stayed. Let's take this off and see what this is looking like. Expect it to look the best because, again, haven't added bronzer. I know I'm gonna need another spray. Wait a second, because that, it don't look the best. No, it does not look the best yet. But that looks way better than I thought it was going to. Oh my gosh, that's actually hilarious because I really thought that was gonna look a lot crazier. Makeup did a little buildup right there. I'm gonna clean it off first. You see that right there? I'm gonna clean it off first with some alcohol. Buildup is cleaned off. Now we go in with a little bit of the bronzer. You might have done something here, Remy Forte. Nice and straight. I've never tried this color before, but she's kind of giving. Is it giving pink, y'all? I feel like it looks a little pink. Maybe it does look pink. At first I was thinking maybe it was like a honey blonde, but the more I keep looking at it in the mirror, I'm like, this looks a little pink. Finished look. What do you guys think? My whole installation process. I can see the front a little bit more. It came out good. See, like when I'm looking in my mirror right now, it's giving honey blonde with a little bit of pink. But on camera, I feel like it's giving a lot more pink. I still think it's real cute. And I'll still wear this out. I just got to figure out what type of outfit I'm going to put with it. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think about it in the comments. If you're interested in this unit, I'm going to have it linked in my description bar below. Thank you to Remyfortehair for sending today's unit over. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.